Today I'm going to show you how to add a sticker to CapCut step by step, even if you've never used the app before. Stickers are one of the easiest ways to make your videos more engaging, more fun, and a lot more eye-catching. You can use them to highlight a moment, add personality, cover space, or make your edits feel more dynamic. And the best part is, once you learn the basic workflow, you can do this in just a few seconds, every time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Stickers tab in the top left Media Navigation panel. This is where CapCut keeps all the built-in sticker options. Click on that tab and you'll see different sticker categories appear. Now you can either scroll through the available categories or use the search bar to type in a keyword if you already know what kind of sticker you want. For example, you might search for arrows, hearts, stars, emojis, or any other style that fits your video. This search feature makes it much faster to find the exact sticker you need, instead of browsing endlessly. Once you find a sticker you like, you have two easy ways to add it to your project. You can click the plus icon on the sticker thumbnail, or you can drag the sticker directly onto the timeline above your main video track. Both methods work well, so use whichever feels easier for you. After the sticker is added, you can start adjusting it in the preview window. Click on the sticker in the timeline, and you'll see transformation boxes appear around it in the preview. From here, you can resize the sticker by dragging the corners, rotate it if you want a different angle, or reposition it anywhere on the screen. This is important because the sticker should support your video, not block the important parts of it. Try placing it in a corner, near a person, or next to text for a cleaner and more professional look. Next, let's adjust how long the sticker appears on screen. In the timeline, hover over the edges of the sticker block, then drag the left or right edge to shorten or extend the duration. This lets you control exactly when the sticker appears and disappears. If you only want it on screen for a quick moment, make it shorter. If you want it visible for a longer section, extend it further. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how polished your edit feels. Now, here's something very important to know. Some items in CapCut have a Pro label, which means they require a subscription if you want to export the video without a watermark. If you want to keep things free, just choose stickers and assets that are not labeled Pro. That way you can edit and export your project without running into any payment issues. It's always a good idea to check the label before you commit to a sticker, especially if you're working on a free version of the app. If you want to use your own sticker instead of the built-in ones, CapCut makes that possible too. Just go to Media, then choose Import, and bring in your own PNG or JPG image file. After that, drag the image onto the track layer above your main video clip, just like you would with a regular sticker. This is a great option if you've made a custom graphic, downloaded a transparent image, or want to add branded elements to your videos. You can then resize, move, and time it exactly the same way. So to quickly recap, open the Stickers tab, search or browse for a sticker, add it to your timeline, adjust the placement and size, change the duration, and avoid Pro items if you want to stay free. If you want to go even further, you can combine stickers with text, transitions, and effects to create a more polished final edit. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.